Today we are going to see about the adventures of Timmy the turtle. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a small turtle named Timmy. Timmy was a curious turtle who loved exploring the world around him. One sunny morning, he decided to venture beyond the familiar boundaries of his home and set off on an adventure. As Timmy ambled along, he encountered various animals like squirrels, rabbits, and birds. He asked them questions about their habitats, behaviors, and diets, eager to learn more about the natural world. Along the way, Timmy faced challenges such as crossing a stream and climbing over fallen logs. With determination and creativity, he found solutions to each obstacle, teaching children the importance of problem-solving and perseverance. Finally, after a day filled with excitement and discovery, Timmy returned home, his mind buzzing with newfound knowledge. He realized that learning doesn't only happen in classrooms, but also in the great outdoors. Thank you so much! See you soon! Bye!